Upgrade your home's efficiency. Why installing new windows from Koehler Home Improvement is a smart investment. At Koehler Home Improvement, we believe that every home deserves to be comfortable, energy efficient, and built to withstand Florida's unique climate. If you're dealing with high energy bills, uneven indoor temperatures, or outdated windows, it's time for a change. Upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows from Koehler Home Improvement is a simple yet powerful way to make your home more comfortable and more affordable to maintain. How our new windows make a difference. Older windows often struggle to keep out Florida's intense heat and humidity. Leaky seals, single-pane glass, and worn-out materials let conditioned air escape and allow outdoor heat to pour in. This forces your cooling system to work harder, driving up your electricity costs. Our new windows are specifically designed to solve these problems. They feature energy-saving technologies like low emissivity, low-E glass that reflects heat while letting in natural light. With multiple layers of insulating glass and tightly sealed frames, they significantly reduce heat transfer and improve indoor temperature control. When you install new Koehler Home Improvement windows, you're not just replacing old glass, you're upgrading your entire home's performance. Real savings, year after year. Replacing outdated windows with our new energy-efficient models can cut your energy costs by up to 30%. In Florida, where cooling costs are a major part of monthly expenses, those savings add up quickly, often to several $100s per year. In addition, recent federal programs offer tax credits for energy-efficient home upgrades, meaning you could recover a portion of your investment when tax season comes around. That's even more reason to make the switch now. Plus, if you're thinking about selling your home in the future, new energy-efficient windows are a major selling point. Buyers appreciate homes that are move-in ready, comfortable, and affordable to maintain, and new windows check all those boxes. Benefits beyond energy savings. Installing new windows from Koehler Home Improvement offers more than just lower energy bills. Improved comfort. Say goodbye to drafts and hot spots. Our windows help maintain a consistent, comfortable temperature throughout your home. UV protection. Our windows block most harmful ultraviolet rays, helping to protect your furniture, floors, and fabrics from fading over time. Noise reduction. Thanks to their advanced design, our windows help keep unwanted noise outside where it belongs, creating a quieter, more peaceful home. Greater durability and security. Built to last, our new windows offer stronger frames and better sealing, providing added protection against severe weather and potential break-ins. A greener home. By using less energy, you're helping reduce your environmental footprint, a win for your household and the planet. Trust Koehler Home Improvement for your window upgrade. At Koehler Home Improvement, we take pride in providing Florida homeowners with new windows that are built to meet the demands of our climate and designed to make life better. When you work with us, you're choosing a team that values quality, customer service, and attention to detail. We make the entire process, from your initial consultation to the final installation, smooth and stress-free. Our goal is to help you enjoy a more efficient, comfortable, and beautiful home without any hassle. Let's get started. If you're ready to enjoy lower energy bills, better comfort, and a fresh new look for your home, it's time to install new windows from Koehler Home Improvement. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. Let's make your home cooler, more efficient, and more valuable, starting now. Cheapest window installation. Contact us today. Visit the link in the description below for more information.